What's up guys, today I will show you how to spy Facebook ads. Just watch me. Link in the description. You have to go to the site and sign up. You can see there are a lot of options, so you can select from here or you can filter it and entering my keyword. Now select likes and setting it. You can select commerce platform. There you can see lot of options. You can select Shopify, Woocommerce and lot of options. I'm selecting Shopify. Now you can see select, there is a lot of option, likes, post time, updated and select it trending. You can select dates or other things. I'm selecting it 7 days. Now click on spy. Look, there is a lot of options, lot of products. You can spy your own keywords. Look, you can click anything, just click it and it will show you the data. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.